Are you looking for the best hair dye shampoo? Well, we've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this stuff off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside here. Alright, if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that over for me right there. So opening them on up the box right here. Okay, comes in this nice pump bottle right here. Just like that. It says, natural hair dye shampoo, gray hair coverage, long-lasting color, natural herbal extracts. Great. You get 520 milliliters or 17.58 fluid ounces in this bottle right here. You get got a little bag in a box here. What's this? What in the world? Oh, is this like a protection, like a little bib or apron type of thing? That's what it looks like right there. Yeah, so it's got an elastic right here around the top, so you can, I'm assuming, put this over your head. I can open it up correctly. There we go. Just like that. That way you have it nice and cinched all the way around the neck so you can protect your clothes and everything else that might be in the way. That's great. And then they also give you some gloves right here to be able to applicate with, which is awesome. And then you have a couple of these right here, which these are shower cap type things right there, so you can utilize that. They do give you some info right there. We'll go through that in just a minute. We already did that. And then this right here is going to be the conditioner. It's the post-hair dyeing care deep nourishment. So deep conditioning treatment to restore and repair hair with keratin, B-complex vitamins, and silk proteins. You get 25 milliliters of that right there. So let's see. Let's check out this right here. How to use. That's what I was looking for. So first, you have the add natural ingredients. So it's got ginseng extract, I don't know how to say that. It's like in Latin or whatever. Chamomilla. You have the macadamia nut and the argan oil as well. Then they go through all the how to use instructions right there. If you need any of that, put the gloves on. You're going to apply enough for the hair. Then you're going to leave it in the hair for 15 to 20 minutes and 30 to 40 minutes for other colors. And then you rinse it from there, and then you should have a nice little dye going on from there. So go ahead and pop this little guy on off right there. That's what it looks like at the spout. Grab a little rag right here so y'all can see what it looks like. I'm just going to simply kind of pump. Got a little collar around it as well, so you're going to need to pull that off. I like how they put that on there. So that is what it looks like right there. So you're going to be using that in the hair, and then that should add the dye using all of these plant extracts, if you will, plant-based type of hair color there. So if y'all are looking for an excellent hair color, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of this right here. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for us. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.